Think Dungeon Meshi but out in the wild, not some dark dungeon, with one spicy twist. The real star is Sui, the cutest smile ever. The little blob stealing hearts left and right, melting enemies with acid bullets, and wiping the dudes Vicinico snack videos. Adorable. Plus we're given a new cutie in the mix, Dora-chan, a tiny pixie dragon, who's basically a Pokémon with attitude. MAPPA back at it, cooking up the underrated game, cause they don't like to animate Jujutsu Kaisen and J-Tool Man. Season 2 is all about Tsuyoshi dishing out mouth-watering meals. Then we meet Elrand, the dragon-obsessed guildmaster, in Dolan, who's way too into Mahoka scary pals.